All right, so here we have this function f of x equals negative x squared minus 2x minus 6. And we want to determine if this function is even or odd or neither. Now, I suppose we could graph this and check if it has any symmetry, which would give us the answer, right? Or we can do this algebraically, which means if we uh, find f of negative x, right? So let's plug in negative x into the function, and if we end up with f of x again, right? Which means we plug in negative x, but then we end up with the same function, okay? Then this function is going to be even. On the other hand, let's say we plug in negative x. Okay? So we plug in negative x, we work everything out, but then we get the negative, which pretty much means that all the signs have changed, okay? Then this is going to be an odd function. Okay? So here, let's do that, right? Let's plug in f of negative x into this function and see what we get. So when we plug in f of negative x, and we get the negative of negative x squared minus 2 times negative x minus 6. Now notice what happens to these signs here, right? This becomes negative x squared plus 2x minus 6. And what we want to do is examine or compare this answer to the original function. Okay? So is this the same as the original function? And the answer is no. Okay? So that means it's not even. Okay? What about being odd, right? So if this was an odd function, then all of these signs, right, would be switched. So this would change to a positive, this would change to a positive, and this would change to a positive. But has that happened here? And it has not, right? So this function is not even and it's not odd. Okay, so it would be neither in this case.